Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and today we're going to talk about hair color. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this hair color. And I'm going to teach you how to lose those brassy tones and how to go towards way cooler tones. And for that, let's get into the video. So first, the most important thing that I would like to say is that I do not use bleach. I think I've only used bleach once in my life, and I do not see the point for myself and for my hair because as long as I use a high lift permanent color, I can reach the color I want without damaging my hair. This is the permanent color that we are going to use. This is the High Lift Ash Violet. Now, about a year ago, I was using High Lift Ash Plus. At some point, I felt like the Ash Plus was not ashy enough for my hair, so I started using Ash Violet because I wanted to get cooler and cooler tones. Now, what you need to know is that if your hair color tends to go more towards orange than towards yellow, this may not be the option for you. In order to get rid of the orange tones, we usually go towards blue. Now for my hair, I do prefer getting rid of the yellow tones. I don't mind the warm tones that much. So at the end, you will see it will not be completely gray. It will be something of a neutral color. I will be using the 40 volume developer. Now some stylists say that there's no actual difference between using the 30 volume and the 40 volume, but for myself, I prefer using the 40 as I feel with the 30 volume, my hair doesn't go as light as I would like it to go. Now I will start sectioning my hair. I will mix 1 part permanent color and 2 parts developer, and I will see you in a bit. Now I'm looking to create 3 sections of hair. From the highest point, I try to draw a straight line on both sides and separate the back part. Now the front, I will section it again in 2 and I will tie one side just to not have it mix in with the other. And now I will start with small sections of hair here. Okay, so I have applied it all over my roots. I usually give it about 15 minutes, but the recommendation with high lift colors is to wait about 30 minutes, and I'm going to try to wait 30 minutes this time, and I will see you after. Okay, so time's up. I'm gonna go wash my hair, and I'll be back. It's looking good, huh? This is the final look. I do have a lot less yellow in my hair. The color looks cooler or more towards neutral. I am super happy with the result. The one thing that I wanted to mention is that I haven't been using purple shampoo for the last 3 or 4 weeks just because I wanted to allow my hair to go to its default color, which is more towards yellow. I wanted to see how good this ash violet high lift color would perform on my yellow hair. If I had been using the purple shampoo, the color would be a lot more gray right now, but for how yellow my hair was before, I feel like this is a very good result. However, I do advise you to use the purple shampoo if you want to keep this neutral cooler tone. Without it, you might be able to keep it for no more than 2 weeks. I do have other options for going more towards cooler tones, so make sure you check out my other videos, not only about hair but makeup and eyebrows and whatnot, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!